Hello there! You just are just like me and you just bought out a brand new iPhone 17. You bought the Pro Max, normal version, normal Pro, maybe even the Air, but it's a big investment. Those phones are really expensive and you just want some protection for it because running with it bare like this is going to scratch it up. Your glass can break easily and your cameras are also not protected. What better way to protect it than with a phone case. I have two phone cases right over here. Both are from Spigen. We got the hybrid one and we got the Ultra Armor one. Now I messed up with ordering, so this one is for the Pro and this one is for the Pro Max, and I have the Pro Max, so I was only able to fit this one onto my phone. This one I wasn't able to fit because I've been stupid and I just messed up my order. So let's first start with the one we were able to test onto our iPhone, the hybrid one. Now this is a great case. It's got a clear cover, so you will be able to see straight through it, so you will be able to see the color of your iPhone. If you bought the orange one, you will be able to show that you have bought the brand new iPhone 17 with the brand new colorway, of course. Other than that, this case has MagSafe on it. The back is a little bit slippy in my opinion. It's a thin case, it's not too thick, it's not going to make your iPhone bulky or anything, it's just going to be protecting it for a little bit. So on the button sides, buttons are just all the buttons that you need, and on the other side you also have the camera cutout and your volume up buttons. They're just little cutouts into the silicone of the cover. Now let's throw it on to the iPhone here to see how well it protects your screen. So in my opinion, it's just those borders are not too high up. They come up a little bit, but they are not really high up. The same for the camera module, they're just barely coming over it. So honestly, in my opinion, this case is great if you just want a case that's going to protect your iPhone for scratches and is going to be able to protect it in your pocket or in yours or in your handbag. If you're going to drop it and it falls onto the corners, it will protect it as well, but it will not be as durable as the Tough Armor one. So yeah, this one, great case if you want to keep your iPhone slim like Apple designed it and don't want to make it any bulkier than it is. Now let's get on to the Tough Armor one. This one, immediately you can see you got the squishy cushions in here, which you can indeed press in. You also got the MagSafe on this one, and yeah, corners are also a little bit more protected, so it will protect your iPhone a lot better when it drops onto the corners. And other than that, it's, in my opinion, if you just look at it here in the back, it's going to be able to protect the cameras a lot better, and the area here is also a lot higher up, so it will protect your screen better when it drops down because it will come over your screen higher up. Other than that, this case, the back feels not that slippy like the other one. And for the buttons are not cutouts, they are just really whole points out of it. And you also get the camera cutout on the other side, so you can make sure that you can control that camera button that you're getting on every iPhone right now. So what else do you get on the Tough Armor one? You get a little stand, so you can put your iPhone onto a table or put it in horizontal mode to watch a YouTube video or watch something else. So yeah, other than that, these were those two cases. In my opinion, if you really want to protect your brand new iPhone, go for the Tough Armor one. It will make it a little bit more bulkier, which if you bought the iPhone Air is not going to be what you want, because you bought the iPhone Air because you want that ultra thin feeling. Then I would go with the hybrid one, or maybe even without a case if you like to live a little bit more dangerously, of course. But in my opinion, both these cases both these cases are a pretty good choice. The one is a little bit more tougher for the people that are a little bit more dangerous or do some more outdoors activity, or just know that they drop their phone a lot more than others. And this one is great for people that are like, okay, good, you know what, I'm using my iPhone normally only in the car at my desk, but I hardly ever go outside and do some crazy stuff. So yeah, I just want that normal feeling from the iPhone. Great, go for this one. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. We got some more videos coming up from the iPhone about the iPhone 17, especially the Pro Max, because I got the Pro Max, so I can review the Pro Max. And yeah, we also have another case coming in somewhere next week normally, the rock form case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The rock form case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you guys want to see that video and a full review on that, because that's in my opinion the toughest case you can get, and also a lot more durable, then just hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, hope to see you guys into the next videos.